मिस्टर गोयनका, योर पार्टी लीडर्स, आपके नेता कह रहे हैं 15 दिन पहले आप चिट्ठी नहीं लिख सकते थे, 15 दिन पहले आपने बताया क्यों नहीं? अब मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, 15 दिन पहले बताने की ज़रूरत क्या है? आप एक दूसरे से 15 दिन पहले और आज बात नहीं कर सकते हैं क्या? और आपके कम्युनिकेशन गैप के कारण वाई शुड द पीपल ऑफ दिल्ली सफ़र? मिस्टर गोयनका, वाई शुड द पीपल ऑफ दिल्ली सफ़र? ये क्या एंगल है, आपने 15 दिन पहले चिट्ठी क्यों नहीं लिखी?
Arnab, Ram to you and to all your panelists and the audience who are watching us right now. The Weather Bureau, the Met Department had declared this situation 25 days back. There has been several communications from my party president Virendra ji to the Chief Minister and also the LOP Viduri ji to the Chief Minister about desilting of the drains in Delhi, both in the MCD area, also in the PWD area. Let me give you a specific detail. We have mentioned this, and then there was a discussion in the House of MCD on 9th June, where the engineering department of Delhi government and also the MCD said they cannot clean beyond 55% because the budgets are improper, because there is a lot of corruption, because there is a negligence. Now, there has been a repeated follow from the opposition. We are not supposed to do that, but we did that proactively. We have been meeting them. We are trying to convince them. Please focus on Delhi. Chief Minister is busy in Panchkula. He is only blaming people. There is a clear case of corruption. There is a clear case of negligence. There should be an accountability. There should be a check. There should be an inquiry. And a culpable homicide case should be filed against the Chief Minister, the PWD Minister, and the people who are responsible here.
You completely deflected all responsibility from yourself.
Where? Please tell me, my 7 MPs, 8 MLAs, 104 councillors, along with 1300 Karyakartas on the street right now. If the food has been provided, that is because Party President Virendra Sachdeva ji is standing there and contributing that. You know what? Mahila Morcha Bharatiya Janata Party is distributing sanitary napkins. Yuva Morcha is distributing foods. I'll tell you one Mandal Adhyaksh. He brought all the people on the street to come to his house so that they can use the toilet. Shame on this government of Delhi, which does not provide basic things in the case where there is a critical situation. Pollution का problem है तो हरियाणा ने भेजा है, पानी है तो हिमाचल ने भेजा है. सर आप करते क्या है? केवल ट्रांसफर करने के लिए पावर चाहिए आपको. When there was a Kisan rally, their member of parliament jumped on the pole.
It will be even better than what it has been last year.
Ambulances to the Andolankari there. They provided food for them. Where are they right now? Why they are not providing ambulance? Why they are not providing hospitalization? Why they are not providing food to the people who are suffering right now?